My name is Catherine Ahrensberg. This is not my house, but I'm an exterior designer, and I'm on a job site. Am I still blocking the mailbox? Neal and Alyssa live in a house that has a giant backyard. I think whoever lived here previously didn't quite know what to do with it, so they just put little bits of things here and there and everywhere, and it didn't feel like a cohesive space. So my job is to pull it back together. No?
Hi everybody, I'm Neal Goday. This is my wife Alyssa. And we've been living here in the Sugar Creek neighborhood for almost 4 years now. Yeah. Moved from New Orleans, and tell them a little bit about the neighborhood, why we picked it.
Big backyards. I really enjoyed the land. We come from New Orleans where we don't have that much land, and a lot to play with over here.
We always lived in historic homes, and we didn't have a good spot for our kids to play with. And this backyard was something that we looked at to where we could actually have our kids and friends over. And we've been working a little bit at a time, and it's coming together.
I previously worked for Neal and Alyssa working on their landscape around their pool, and then they had this sad little shed off the end of their pool that they said, I think this is our next project. Do you think you can do something with it? And I immediately saw this super cute pool house that they could serve out of, entertain from, and just really enjoy so much more than a storage shed at the end of their pool.
Well, our shed before, for the past 3 years, was a storage unit. Pretty much all our junk would go in our shed.
Yes, all the pool supply stuff was there, and it kind of seemed to be a catch-all. It wasn't very open, so you had to walk around. It seemed to collect a lot of dirt and debris, a lot of dust.
When we first moved in, we actually stained it to make it look a little nicer, like a nicer closet, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
And we're just looking for a good spot to actually relax.
Enjoy the backyard.
And enjoy it. We were talking about the color choices and the project with Catherine. We were starting from our back of our yard and working our way up to the house. We started with the landscape. A lot of all the parts that we talked about, we wanted a lot of color. Mm-hmm. It was pretty dark. They had some fences back there that we had to take down to open up the space.
Too many trees.
We cut down lots of trees to get some sun to the pool, and we went with some lighter colors, so it opened up the area a lot more inviting, more, relaxing.
Able to sit down.
With our busy lives, we just wanted a spot to be able to go back there, watch a game, read a book. She would be reading the book, I'd be watching the game, and have a nice little drink and invite friends over.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've had a little bit of delay in the project. The floor is not painted yet, which is fine. Mm-hmm. Rain happens in Mobile, Alabama. But so what we're going to do instead is to kind of just do what we can do until we can get the floor painted. So that's going to be the ceiling fan blades have to be installed. There's some planting we can do and some little accessorizing. So are y'all ready to get started on that stuff?
Sounds good.
Are you going to help me with the blades on the fan,
Whatever
Alyssa?
you need help with.
Okay, all right, let's go. All right, that's it. Now we want to make sure that this thing is rotating counterclockwise so that it's pushing cold air down. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
You didn't? So in the winter, you have your fans going clockwise so that it pulls the heat from the ceiling down.
Okay.
And in the summer, you have them counterclockwise so that it's pushing the cold air down.
Oh.
You're welcome. There you go. And I think that we've got this one going the correct direction. So let's see. Maybe. Whoop, whoop. Counterclockwise.
These are really cute.
So they look like glass, but they're plastic. So they're perfect for around the pool. So we just have to take a bunch of tags off now.
Okay.
And then I've got several things to hang around. I just wanted to feel like it's a inside your house space and not,
By the
Not
pool?
yeah, by the pool, but reflecting the same style that you already have in your home.
Perfect. As far as the accessories, I gave Catherine free reign, so that I told her I wanted it a French country look. I wanted more lights that we can enjoy it in the afternoon, late at night, and that way I wouldn't have, you know, he wanted more of a Cajun country shed, and I got more of a feminine touch. He did get his TV.
I drove all over Creation to pick up every supply y'all ordered.
There's always the need for a man to have a TV in their fridge with their water or their beer or whatever, but my job is to incorporate it into a way that doesn't make it look, I don't know, we just gotta marry that man cave with this beautiful space. So we tried to do that by mounting a TV with a bracket that can actually extend out from the wall, so when it's not in use, it's pushed right up into the wall, and then when he wants to use it, it pulls out, it'll tilt back and forth, and so it just marries the pretty with the utilitarian. We've been waiting days and days and days for these chairs to come. Neal was in high hopes they would come fully assembled, which I knew better. And look at them, they're in the big, huge box. Some assembly required, Neal, some. I don't even know how these all assemble into one chair. All right.
615, 620.
Yep, I got lots of questions. I put together a lot of chairs. Those are the worst chairs I think I've ever put together. I mean, honestly, that's all I got. All right, so Willis is back here painting the deck, which is perfect. What do you think of the color, by the way?
I really like the color.
Good, I do too. In the meantime, we're getting a few more things done, including planting this liriope. You already had these containers, which are perfect for this pool house. How long have you had them? Years and years?
No.
Okay. But long enough. A
yeah.
few months. Okay, perfect. And so we're going to plant this liriope in here to put on either side. It's going to add a nice little pop of green, and it'll be a perfect little, making everything softening everything up. So you ready to start planting?
What we disliked about before was that it wasn't inviting, and it didn't have the accessories that we were looking for, and especially adding the TV, the refrigerator, the furniture. You could actually spend the whole day out there and not even have to come inside the house.
Yeah.
So if we want a little spot where we can get away and relax at the end of the day, or if our kids want to get away from us, we'd rather them be here than running around in the streets. So all y'all boys will be watching y'all outside the window with our daughters.
I like that. That's so funny. mentality that Neal and Alyssa have for wanting the kids to be at their house and being like the place to be. That's how I am with my family, and I think it's a great way to keep an eye on the kids and make sure that like you're keeping tabs on them. So I'm happy that they're able to now have that space where the kids, teenagers who are so picky anyway, want to come and spend their time. There's no better compliment in the world.
Catherine's got it.
Don't worry guys, I got it.
Well, I got another dolly.
Nah, I'll do it this way. See how well and you get like really deep with it, you know what I'm saying? Like you really get it then.